Once a customer accepts an estimate in LawnPro, we don't have to rebuild it as an invoice from scratch. We can convert it directly with just a couple of clicks. Let's go over how. To get started, click on the Finance tab and select Estimate. Find the estimate you want to convert and click the magnifying glass beside it. Once you're on the estimate page, click More Actions and then click Create Invoice. A pop-up will appear to confirm that you want to turn this estimate into an invoice. Click Yes. Keep in mind, once an estimate is converted to an invoice, it cannot be turned back into an estimate, so make sure everything looks right before you confirm. That's all it takes. LawnPro instantly creates an invoice with the same line items, and price and customer details are already filled out from the estimate. No need to re-enter everything. That's how easy it is to turn an accepted estimate into an invoice.